Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you my own trading experience on binary option platforms and trading on Forex market right now. And I love this market because this is one of the biggest markets in the world that trades for billions of dollars daily, and you can use that movements to get your own profit, to get your own money in internet, and it can be a great extra income to all of your investments. So the point of this platform that you have access to plenty of assets 24/7. Look at this: options, forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, like let's say about Forex, for example, for right now, and let's find out that you can make money on it. Like a couple minutes ago, I've made the I pressed the buy button right here because I think that the market will go up, the price will go up, and I can make my own profit. As you can see, my prediction was pretty correct, and right now I have already 3% based on my investment. It's not a big amount, of course, but if to say that I invested my money just a minute ago, I invested $100, and in a minute, like I've made $5. This is pretty nice, I think, because if you at least once try to make your own business in internet, for example, I don't know, the internet shop or some kind of other business, you know that it's pretty complicated and pretty risky, of course. And here you invest in the money, just waiting a little bit, and you get in your profit, and that's it. There's plenty tools on this platform. One of the greatest tools, this widget that shows all the opinions of all the traders who are right now on the market, to which way the price will go, and you can make your own decisions based on this information, or you can turn on the indicators. For example, I don't know, alligator, let's see, apply, and here you see the turn right in this spot, and we made the correct prediction. Let's move out the alligator. You know how to turn it on. So as I said, the Forex is one of the biggest markets in the world, and it trades billions of dollars. If you want to join this financial movement, you should find the link in the description panel of this video. You should find the link and go to the platform. Okay, we see that the price is going down right now, and it's pretty interesting, because if it's gonna go lower, we're gonna close the position with for example, like 0 profit, and we'll reopen it. But I'm sure that the price will go up right now. We just need to wait a little bit to see the results, because the trend is up going right here in this spot, and I believe it's gonna be like pretty much higher than right now. And after, I'll close the deal. If you have the minus 95% auto closing, if your prediction will lose 95%, it will close automatically. But we will see a little bit. I want to wait some time, because something telling me that everything's gonna be great in this spot, and we can close the position with a profit. Or even if like the price is going not the way you need it, not the way you want it, you can close it with a minimum loss and reopen it to the direction which way the trend will turn. Of course, to get to the platform, you need to pass the registration. You need to confirm your email after you'll be authorized on the platform. and in that case you'll be able to make your own predictions, to make your own business on the Forex market. There's plenty of assets you can trade on all of them. For example, on all of them, of course it takes time, yes, first of all, and the second of all, it takes like some amount of investment. Literally on this platform, I love this platform because you can start from $10. $10 is minimum amount of money that you need to spend on investment, and with minimum amounts of money you can make not bad profits in a minute. And this is absolutely great because there's no business in the world that can give you 6% in 2 minutes, for example. Right now, like 5 minutes past maybe, and I have 6%, about 7%, and the price is still going up. Let's wait a couple minutes more, and we'll close the deal. So there's also here on the platform you able to trade on stocks or binary options, for example, that will give you 90%, but there you need to catch the time spot. And here you don't need to catch the time spot, you just need to catch the price movement, and that's it. You don't have the limitation for some moment, but the principle is the same: buy or sell, which way the price is gonna go. You just choosing the button, and after you have some amount of money in your pocket already as a profit, you can close the position and you can get your profit. As you can see, the price is jumping up and down, but in the matter of fact, 66% of people thinking that the price will go up in this spot, and more of them, it's much more than 34% that thinking that the price will go down. You see, already is 15 bucks just in 10 minutes. I'm getting 16% of profit, and this is pretty not bad. You don't need to feed your greed, and we can close this position right in the moment to get our like 17% of profit. And after that, we will make one more decision. We will choose which way the price will go. For example, right now it's in the heights. We can turn on the indicators to help us to find out which way the price will go, or we can watch this widget and act based on the information from this widget. So right now it's about 17%, and this is absolutely great income. Here you go, $15 like in 5 minutes. This is very great. So if you want to try, go to the platform, go to the description panel of this video, find the link, use that link to get to the platform with a big discount just for my subscribers. I appreciate you to watch this video till the end. Wish you a big profit, and every time I'm saying the same: do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is important. Thank you, and see you in the next videos. Bye.